What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video. Today I got something that is kind of difficult to work on, and I didn't really like the way that it was brought to me. So if you guys want to see what it is, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, Prince Squad. Yesterday I had a customer that called me and was like, hey, I have a softball jersey. My kid plays travel ball. It's got number 6 on it, but I want you to take it off and put number 7. How much do you charge? So I told her my price. I was like, well, for a full back print, I charge 10. And to remove, I guess I'll charge like 5, you know, because I don't usually charge to remove. But, you know, I just kind of came up with something. But anyway, so the customer, she was like, she had been looking on YouTube. She had saw them remove it with the iron and stuff. And I was like, well, I have stuff to remove vinyl with or whatever. But I would like to look at it first to make sure that it's something that I will be able to do. So to cut the story short, she ended up bringing the items over here. She was like, well, I just went ahead and removed the vinyl. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys what the jerseys look like right here so you can check them out. That's one jersey. That's the second jersey. And here is jersey number 3. Okay, so what was on the back of this jersey was number 6. So right here, I'm pretty sure you guys can probably see where the 6 was that she removed with the iron. So in doing this, removing this with the iron, if you feel this part of the jersey, it's soft, but the part, you can tell where she touched the iron at because it's hot. I mean, it's hot because it's hard right there, and it's kind of like burn, you know, like with polyester. You can't really put too much heat to polyester without it you know, kind of burning. So right here, she had it on here, you know, she got it off. It's actually hard right here. I don't really know if I even want to fool with this now that I've kind of felt that and I see what she actually did. You know, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. Hopefully, I'll make the right choice with this. But yeah, that's kind of something that I'm kind of working on right now. But yeah, just to kind of show you guys. But yeah, she took it off with the iron. And the other thing is, she's expecting me with all the billions, probably hundreds of billions probably of fonts that they have, she's expecting me to find the font that they used, and she don't even know the name of the font. So right here, as you see, you know, this is the font right here. So I don't know, if I can't find the font, I'm definitely not going to worry about it, because she was just like, I'm just supposed to know the font. She was just like, yeah, can you use that same font? If I don't know the font, I can't use it, and it's billions of fonts, and I was looking for the font actually last night, so I'm going to see, because if I can't find the font, then I'm probably not going to worry about it. And then it's already, you know, she's melted this part. I don't want to print on it and have an issue with it ripping, because, you know, like when you overheat stuff, sometimes it weakens it and it'll cause it to rip. So I don't know, you guys, you know, what to do about that situation. But I was just gonna let you guys know, as this behind the scenes video. So if I do get it done, I will be showing you guys the completed thing and the whole thing in another video. So I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the red and the green channel, and also hit the notification bell on both channels so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me at TshirtChick TV and join that Prince Squad group on Facebook. And I will see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.